Oh, you hear that?
What's that?
Beep, beep.
I see a train moving, Dad.
Oh, watch out. He's coming by. Hey, let's go watch him go by. Maybe he'll honk the horn.
Yeah.
It's over there.
He's going to run me over.
No, he's not going to run you over. You just stand over here.
He's going to. I totally want to go on a train like that.
No, you can't.
Why?
You just gotta watch him go by. Where's Mama?
Yeah.
She's still down there.
Yeah.
I want to go check out this bridge.
Yeah, let's go. This time I'm going on the middle track. These little tracks are little. I thought these are supposed to be
Oh, there
big.
he goes.
Little bridge are going on it.
You go walk across it?
Yeah. I'm walking in a.
Go. Look, there's a train coming. Should be coming from that way. Ready? What did you do? Hurry, hurry, hurry. Ah! Don't get
Hold my hand.
stuck. Walk on the side. There you go.
Webs down there.
You better hurry.
Why?
Because there might be a train coming.
There's no train.
No. Not in front of us either?
No.
We did it.
We crossed the bridge. Do you think we should go back to the park?
Let's go back this way, see where Mommy is. Let's go back across the bridge, okay?
Okay.
You gotta hurry because there might be a train again.
Run!
Ah,
Sophie! Run!
I can't. I'll go too fast. Whew, made it.
We made it. We made it across the bridge. I think we should go back to the playground.
Let's wait for Mommy.
Hold this.
Hey, where'd Mommy go? She's back over there still. There's a trash can right there. Oh, Mommy's talking to those guys still.
How we get out?
Can you throw this away for me? From the trash can right there?
I wonder which way we go. I wonder which way.
Here. Let's throw this away. I'll lift you up.
We're escaping.
Throw it in the trash can and come back.
Going back to the park.
Come over here. Let's go check out this bridge. Come on. Ready, go look at this bridge and then we'll go get Mommy.
I'm escaping. Boink.
There's other people walking too. Oh, Mommy's looking for us. Come on.
Woo-hoo! I'm up ahead, Mom. Mom, how we get out this gate?
Go this way. I want to go check out this little bridge over here.
No, we got to get out of here.
Let's go this way, Jude. Look at this little bridge. Hey.
We gotta get out.
No, we gotta go look at this bridge.
No. I found a way out. I'm going out
You
there.
saw that one guy ride his train by, huh?
Yeah. I'm going back.
So what's up? There's like a free ride next week or something?
I'm out. Look at that cooler one.
Alright, let's walk across this bridge real quick, Jude.
Okay.
Let's do it. Think Lila can go? Ooh, careful, Lila. You're gonna fall.
Oh my gosh.
These trains can go across here with tons of people on it, and we can. Come on, Lila. You can do it.
Are you in the middle?
Whoa. I thought you fell. I'm walking on the rails. You should walk on the rails too. It's easier.
No.
Here, baby. Hold her.
I'm staying up. So there's a little bit bridge. A little bit bridge.
Gotta hurry before the trains come. Don't want to end up like on that movie.
Where are the trains?
Train.
Train.
Made it.
Now we can
Now
go
we
back.
can go back down here.
I can jump.
Sure?
Uh,
Yeah, you can do it. Good job.
We're going back home. We are going back to the park. I'm over here. 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 Wait, I'm just trying to play with you. What? Let's go play with each other. Hey. Let's go. I'm gonna weird that. Hey. Let me look at you. No. I'm gonna look at you.
Brayden, don't bother him. He doesn't want you to look at him. Pester him, okay?
He don't.
But don't touch his camera. Okay? Don't touch
This is Daddy's GoPro.
Yep.
Hey, we're pancakes. Pancakes. Ah, see pancakes. What? Pancakes. 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 Jungle.
Brayden, do you want
love
to
it.
run? Brayden, you want to run?
Yep, I want to. No, you chase me. You chase me. You chase me. You chase Go home? No. Here. Here. He will never get me. You will never get me. Here. Train's here? I'll chase you guys. Train?
Look at the train, Brayden.
Brayden, run! I'm gonna chase you. I'm gonna chase you. I'm just trying. I'm gonna take a break. No, let's take a break. Let's take a break. Okay, guys, take a break. Take 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! I got your friend Brayden, get up. Dad! Come! No, come here! Dad! Dad!
Ah.
Bye.